What's going on, everybody? It's Matt with American 4WD. Hope you're having an awesome day. So today, we are going to do a quick shop update, and because we haven't done one in a while. And yeah, so there's Jessica. Say hi.
Hey.
Hi, Jessica.
How's everybody doing?
All right. So sometimes I really like you guys. Sometimes you just make me do things that I don't know how I feel yet about it, but yeah. So, anywho, I guess we have Betty White now. Thanks, Courtney, and everybody else who voted for it. We have Betty White now, all stickered up. Both sides, still dirty from the last little adventure at Clifty's. Remember, this had Firestone highway terrain tires, so since Dad took these tires off his Power Wagon, went to 37s, wherever the Power Wagon's at, I stole those because they're 33s, and they're actually like I don't know, all-terrainy-ish. So it's a lot better than taking a highway terrain off-road. So that worked out perfectly because they were free, and I stole them. So anywho, I got Dad's old Power Wagon tires on here, so that way I can at least take it off-road. They've got some good tread on it. They still got life. Still got, I don't know, I'd say 30-40% tread left. And the only reason I did this is so I could go off-road as it sits, because I don't really have time or money to do upgrades right now to it because I'm poor. So, we took off the giant rock catcher muffler, so got that taken off. Got the rear sway bar off. So all the normal stuff that we do to a lot of our builds that you just don't need and stupid and annoying to have, so we took all that off. So the front sway bar is kind of so we're gonna have to keep messing with that. I've already broke it apart twice, greased everything, so we're gonna do that again. Anywho, we're still waiting on a front drive shaft. Holy God. Karen is over here with Jessica. Jessica is having a great time driving Karen, loving every second. We finally got Mr. Cummins Jeep. We got a new engine in that, so he's good and gone. We are doing adjustable control arms all the way around, and we're trying to find a Ford 8.8 rear axle for this currently. The XJ blew up the front ring and pinion, so I don't know. Oh, doesn't that suck? The teeth that are missing are on the backside, so you can't see it. Isn't that crap? Well, there's a chunk missing out of that one, so you get the idea. But there's pretty much just like a whole section on the other side of this is like a whole section with teeth missing. So getting a new one of that. We're just waiting on the parts. Oh God. This poor little XJ is getting a motor because it had rod knock. Let's see what else we got. Why there's a Volkswagen in here, I have no idea. But Jake, our new hire, say hi, Jake. He's doing, something's going on in the transmission. We don't know what, to where it doesn't have a clutch pedal at all. We replaced the slave cylinder and nothing. So something like a throwout bearing or something's going on in there. So he is ripping off the transmission. The pig is getting further stuff done. So we finally got that big heavy thing off over there. We got the rear leafs off, got the rear shackles off, got everything ordered. There's some of the parts, but pig's going good. Let's see what else. It's a big mess in here, guys. We got Stacy's TJ. She went with us to Clifty's, but I don't know where it is. Oh, it's up there in the box. But the AC compressor just pretty much just crapped out, and so we replaced it with this brand new one, and it's making a bunch of noise. So now we just got done with it, so now we're gonna have to take it all back apart and then put another AC compressor in it. So big fun. we're still waiting on John's gears. Pretty much Nitro Gear and Axle. They sent us a 513 gear set with 2 rear ring and pinion gears, not a rear and a front. So they didn't have a 513 front on the shelf, so now he has to go to 529s, which is okay because he's on 37s anyways. So, and it's stick shift. So, cool, rock and roll. Still waiting on stuff. But that is about it. I don't know, pretty calm, slow day. No real issues, besides the obvious issues that to really talk about. But news. Do we have any news, like rides or anything else?
There is going to be a Ladies' Day special ride, September 25th, starting at noon to Prentice Cooper. It's easy to moderate beginner ride. Ladies, if you do drive your own rigs, you will be getting a special surprise. It's a free cozy. But we look forward to seeing everybody out there, and hope everybody has a great time.
So we're setting that up for everybody. So Ladies' Day, Beginner's Day, guys, if you want to come out and wheel with us, you've never wheeled before, your Jeep is bone stock, your Jeep looks like Betty White over here, stocker than crap, that is the time to go, that is the day to go. So, guys, that is going to be cool. Anything else? Dad said something about, Rabbit said something about AOP, like an overnighter at AOP.
Not about the days yet.
Okay.
As soon as we get about that, I'll let everybody know.
Yeah, as soon as we get the dates up, we will let everybody know, but we're going to do an overnighter at AOP. Obviously, we're not going to have a hard group until that is situated, but we're still going to do easy and moderate. Other than that, guys, I appreciate it. Deuces. I feel like I had something else. Oh, we still have a bunch of these tank tops from the Jeep Invasion. So we ordered them specifically for the Jeep Invasion. So guys, if you want a tank top, come by, come get one, or a t-shirt. We still got plenty to go around. Just make sure it says men's, because accidentally I put on a women's. This is the woman's and that's the men. I put on the women's, and the V part of the neck shows a little bit too much. So, guys, I appreciate it. We'll see you later.